Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Deborah. Today I bring for you hairstyle for kids, and today I bring for you natural hairstyle and the braids and cornrows. So I wish you to watch this video up to end so that you can see what I bring for you. And I want to appreciate you who going to watch my video, who already watched my video, who subscribed my video. I'm really appreciate. Thank you so much. God bless you more. For really, I bring for you simple thing like this. It's really simple and easy to braid your kid or your baby. I bring for you a hairstyle from 1 year up to 12 years. Yeah. So you're going to enjoy and you're going to like this hairstyle for kids. And don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. God bless you more. God bless you more. We're going to watch this video, and I wish you to watch this video up to end and click the bell, and so that when I post any video for really, you're going to get a notification from Deborah and Hairstyle. See you for next video. God bless you more.